Where's your baby? Where's your baby with her princess dress? Let me see. Okay, here's Tutu. Let me see your princess dress. Where's your baby?
How fast can you wash his car? I'm regretting this already.
You got your tiara? Put your tiara on. Let me see. Are you a princess?
It's like time stood still.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Let me see. Turn around. Show me. Show it to Mama. Bella.
Oh, ancient history.
Blow Bubby kisses. Can you blow a kiss to Bubba?
So I'll be heading off to Alaska in a few weeks. After I get this thing up and running, I am back on the road and out of your hair for
Oh, is that kisses for Bubby? Oh. Oh, right. Say, I love you, Bubba.
Talk to me, Mr. Moneyman.
Thank you for the dress, Bubba.
bargain. You know, between you and me.
Can you say Tita for your dress?
Oh, really?
All right. So it goes with your princess, huh? She has the same dress as you?
Here's my gumball machine.
Yeah.
You're not a
I know. Oh, you need shoes? Mommy gonna get you some pink shoes.